Hey guys, come on in. Everybody, welcome to my office. We are located right here in the heart of Beverly Hills, in the Golden Triangle, and we spared no expense to give you this beautiful office. It's my home. I love bringing my patients in here because it kind of conveys exactly what I want for my patients. Natural looking results, but bringing together new technology, LED lights, and traditional things like chandeliers. Wood paneling, we've got marble floors all the way from Italy to give you that nice home warm feeling, but at the same time knowing that you're coming to a place that's going to make you look amazing. So come on in. So we're in. First room I want to show you is my consultation room. This is where you will first come if you're interested in surgery. You'll meet with one of our coordinators, and as you can see, we've got natural lighting coming in all the way from the south-facing windows. So come on in, it's going to be a great experience. So this is where you'll sit. You have beautiful views of palm trees in Beverly Hills. We've got natural light reflecting off of the marble accents in the gold. Really, this place is designed to kind of make you feel comfortable in a nice, warm environment. This is a place to be, all right? We've got beautiful light, beautiful views of Neiman Marcus right here in this room. It's set up to be very comfortable for you. Plenty of lighting. I've got a combination of LED lighting, spotlights, strip lights, product lights. It's really here to kind of make you look good. We've got a mirror that we can go over any particular detail that you want to show me, which is key to really understanding how we can make your results look a lot better. All right, so let's check out, wait, check this out. Forgot to mention, this is a beautiful work of art that took us 9 months to get commissioned and created based on my logo of a woman coming out of a natural environment. So this is really important to me, mainly because natural beauty is very important, okay? I don't wanna make anyone have results that don't look real. If you go around and you look like you've had plastic surgery, then I feel like a failure. So this is made of beautiful walnut with aluminum backing and floats off of our riverbed marble right here. So it's one of my favorite pieces. I smile every day I come in. Come on back, let's go to the surgery center. Okay, get excited guys. We are now entering IV Surgical Center. This is our fully accredited 2 operating room, 3 recovery bed surgery center, okay? What that means is that we are professionally accredited so that we have certain safety protocols that are in place for your surgical experience, all right? Not only that, but we have some of the latest technology that makes surgeries better and makes our outcomes better, and I wanna show you, come on in. One of the most important things is to keep you warm during the operation. We have integrated bed warmers, we have integrated IV warmers, so that when you're getting IV fluids and you're on this table and you're under anesthesia, we're able to keep your body temperature where it needs to be. Studies have shown that when you do that, your chances of complication goes way down. Not only that, but we have speakers in the ceiling to make sure that you have nice relaxing music when you come in here, and we have the latest LED lights that provide perfect lighting so that we can see exactly what we need to do for your surgery. All right, lastly, this is really important. A lot of people ask me, is it safer to do surgery in a hospital, doctor? No, it's not, because you're gonna be around a bunch of people that are sick, that have hospital-acquired infections that are resistant to bacteria, and nurses that have bacteria from other rooms that come and see you. What's better is to go into an ambulatory surgery center where we actually have better monitoring equipment than they have in hospitals and much less risk of getting contamination from other sick patients. Welcome to recovery, all right? We set this place up to be a very calm, relaxing place for your recovery. We've got the best nurses here. It's a very comfortable environment. It's very important. We don't rush patients out right after an operation like a lot of places do, super shady. And we've got the best technology. We've got lasers, we've got video endoscopy equipment here that is some of the best stuff that we use for our surgeries. And we keep that sometimes around here in this area. But most importantly, this area is designed for your recovery and your comfort. right, this is the lineup. You guys, this was last week. We did a lot of surgeries here. This is how we get organized. We come every day, we have a little powwow, and we have a little bit of advice. Be impeccable with your word, don't make assumptions, don't take anything personally, and always do your best. Great advice. So this is a fun little place. This is our kitchen, and I've got little magnets from various places that myself and the staff have visited. We've got New Zealand, we've got Maui, we've got Canada when we're up in Banff, and then don't forget about Yosemite right there. What do we have in the fridge? It's kind of dirty. All right, so come on down the hallway. You can see this is my office here. It's pretty small. Not a whole lot happens in there because I really don't spend any time, all right? I'd rather be seeing you in the exam room, so that's where my focus is. All right, but this is really important down here. We've got our VIP entrance and exit, okay? So when you have your surgery, you come right out here. This goes right to the parking lot. Nobody sees what you've had done. You go right to your car, right here at the valet, and off you go either to aftercare or to home. All right, guys. That's it for our tour. We're out back where we started, right here in our reception. This is our office. This is our home. I would love to meet you and have you experience it firsthand. Thanks for spending your time here, and I hope you enjoyed the tour. Bye-bye.